Indulge your senses for a visual treat with these construction tips and tricks that work extremely well. Make sure to finish the video and prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss out. Buckle up and come join us in the world where innovation meets satisfaction. This DIY tool is easy to make and helpful in a lot of woodwork. Having problems placing a vinyl floor on corners? Here's a tip that will save you. To save the workers time and effort, this machine speeds up the creation of curbs and gutters. Using this tool, wasted mortar won't be a problem anymore. This uneven surface is not a problem with this smart level ladder that can be leveled up to 19 centimeters difference. Did you ever imagine using a sponge makes your wall more textured? Here's a technique to remove a single plank without damaging the ones beside it. Take a look at this tool that makes laying tiles a lot easier. Worried about jammed fingertips? Use this hammer magnet to drive the nail sideways safely. This equipment can optimize the application time of mortar in large areas. Check out these laborers satisfyingly lift a sidewalk using polyurethane foam. How did these ropes got locked easily with each other? Look how simple it is to pull out nails from a wood surface using this nail extractor. This equipment is designed for removing marks or wood shavings to leave a smooth finish. This machine rotates 360 degrees to transfer rocks and big materials from one place to another. Watch how this machine installs rectangular stones by group on the surface. Watch this tool remove Asian paint like scooping fried ice cream. Shock tronsel is used in winding stairs to minimize installation errors and reduce the risk of injury. Use this easy knot to prevent wires from loosening. Take a look at this machine efficiently applying floor screed. To create a pipe opening, you just need to prepare your ruler, a compass, and marker. No matter how strong the foundation is, this machine precisely works for demolition. This automatic lumber stacker reduces the time and effort of manual labor. Using a cutter to cut the material to match the shape of the roof is a genius thing to do. This equipment effortlessly injects adhesive mortar to secure rebars and anchor rods. This concrete is poured and molded into a form and will be left to harden. With the use of hydraulics, this equipment can fasten and loosen bolts without too much effort. This worker won fastest nailer for nailing 18 square feet of flooring in just 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Watch this brick wall restoration using a piping bag that's like putting the icing on a cake. This machine guarantees a flawless plastering process and ensures the consistency of gypsum platter. Take a look at this concrete curbing process with satisfying visuals. Watch this worker make an aesthetic ceiling using these decorative ceiling panels. Scribe tiles to pebbles without trouble using a contour gauge. This Trelawney SPT Long Reach is the perfect tool to remove external renders and wall coats. Watch this machine work like a robot joining the workers while doing labor. Laser leveling tools are more accurate than traditional levels, as they provide an accurate straight line. This tool enables workers to carry and transport bricks in just seconds. Picture framing is a technique using spray foam insulation that ensures no gaps. This stamped concrete roller effortlessly creates stone wall imitation on the concrete. It looks like they're putting the icing on a huge cake and flattening the top. Here's an easy way to drive a nail without using your strength and effort to hammer it. This genius hack saves time and effort in spreading adhesive on tiles. Tying reinforcing steel bars will be a lot easier if you use this kind of hook. This magnetic wire puller helps you bring wires into places where it's hard to put wires. These workers use a grill to keep the tiles placed correctly and to save more time. Cleaning time won't be a problem anymore when you use a plastic bag in catching drill dust. Start doing this hack and never struggle to cut a cement sack again. Instead of cutting the wallpaper in a straight line, cut it in a wavy line for a more invisible joint. Putting a small blade on your tape measure cuts curves in drywalls quickly. Just use laser lines in marking the shape of the piping without leaving real marks. And we're wrapping up. We hope you enjoyed these compilations of construction tips and tricks. Don't be shy and share with us in the comment section below what's your favorite. If you've watched this far, support us by liking this video. Remember to subscribe and ring the notification bell for a regular dose of satisfaction. Stay tuned, stay updated.